How would you like to completely flood your schedule with high paying window cleaning, power washing, and gutter cleaning jobs without wasting money on marketing that doesn't work? At SUDS Marketing, we've cracked the code on what actually brings in exclusive, high quality leads for exterior cleaning businesses. And we've built an entire system that makes scaling predictable, profitable, and simple. And what's the best part? We don't just talk about it, we're proving it with our own business. At SUDS, we put our money where our mouth is. Instead of selling just marketing services, we decided to put our own strategies to the ultimate test by launching our own window cleaning and power washing company from scratch. Everything we offer to you is the exact system that we use ourselves. We know what works best because we're using it right now to grow a real profitable business, just like yours. Look, I know the struggles you're facing because we've faced them too. Maybe you're relying on word of mouth, but it's not enough to keep your schedule full, running Facebook and Google ads that just burn cash without bringing in real leads, stuck chasing low quality leads who never answer the phone or don't book jobs, or wasting hours with back and forth messages instead of actually doing the work that makes you money. If any of that sounds familiar, it's not your fault. The real problem isn't you. It's the outdated marketing strategies that most agencies use. That's why we've built something completely different. Imagine this instead. Your phone is ringing with high quality leads. Your schedule is booked out weeks in advance. You're only talking to customers who are ready to pay for your services. No more price shoppers, no more ghosted calls, and best of all, it's happening on autopilot. Businesses that implement automated follow-ups close 78% more leads than those that don't. And service businesses running high converting local ad campaigns see 4 to 8 times ROI on average. Our strategies are built on proven industry success, and we're showing the results firsthand in our own business. SUDS Marketing isn't just another agency. We specialize exclusively in marketing for exterior cleaning businesses. We know the industry inside and out because we're in it ourselves. Plus, we're backed by Bonfire AI, our proprietary marketing and automation platform that streamlines lead generation, follow-ups, and sales. This isn't just marketing, it's a complete growth system designed specifically for businesses like yours. My name is Matt Stokes, co-founder of SUDS Marketing. We help window cleaners, power washers, and gutter cleaners completely transform their businesses with predictable, scalable marketing systems. We don't believe in just selling leads. We give you the entire system to turn those leads into book jobs, repeat customers, and long-term success. Here's what makes SUDS different. Exclusive, high-quality leads, no shared leads, no junk, automated follow-up system, so no leads ever slip through the cracks, done for you local ads that bring in high-paying customers on autopilot, Bonfire AI CRM, a complete sales and marketing system tailored to your business. This isn't just marketing, it's a complete growth engine. Okay, here's how it works. 1, we build your marketing system, customize ads, automations, and booking funnels tailored to your business. 2, we drive exclusive leads straight to you, homeowners actively looking for exterior cleaning services. 3, you close more jobs, make more money, and grow your business without worrying about marketing. And we track everything so you always know what's working. Right now, you have 2 choices. 1, keep doing what you're doing, wasting time, chasing bad leads, relying on word of mouth, and hoping for the best. Or 2, you get a real marketing system in place that guarantees steady, high-quality jobs coming in every single month. Which sounds better to you? In just a few weeks, you could go from struggling to find jobs to being booked solid, making more money, and finally scaling your business the right way. We're not just offering marketing, we're handing you the exact system that we use ourselves to grow a real, profitable exterior cleaning business. We've already seen what this system can do for us, and we're ready to open it up to a few ambitious business owners who are ready to level up. Click the link below and book a free strategy call. There's 0 risk, just a chance to finally take control of your growth. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, click the link, book a call, and let's make it happen.